Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Parrot Security OS 7.2 on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Parrot Security OS official website and download. It is parrot.os. Then click on download or download. Also see here the latest release at the time of making this video is Parrot OS 7.2. Click on download. Then we have to select the edition. See here we have different editions: Security, Home, Hack the Box, Spins and others. In this video I am going to download and install Security. Click on it. See here Security Edition is the complete pen testing platform, and release information, version number, release date, size of the ISO image. Okay, see here we have two types of downloads: direct method and torrent download. In this video I am going to download by using direct method. Click on this direct download Security, and see here we have the ISO, WAVA, VMDK and other options. In this video I am going to download and install by using ISO. Just click on it to download. No need to register. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 7.3 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Next, then select the installer disk image file, then click on browse, then select the downloaded Parrot Security OS 7.2 ISO image, then click on open, click on next, then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving this is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the location where you have the enough space. Click on next. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine hardware information. Click on customize hardware. Then I am increasing memory to 4 gigabytes. You can increase by using these up and down arrows, or you can provide memory in megabytes. And number of CPU cores I am giving 2. Then click on close. Don't select this power on this virtual machine after creation. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install, and hit enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control to release the cursor. We don't have any username. Click on this login for this live user. If you want to use this for live environment, you can use and you can shut down. But if you want to install permanently, see here on the desktop, install Parrot. Click on it and hit enter. Then select the language and click on next. Now we have to select the time zone or location. You can select from this drop down region and zone, or you can select on the globe. Then click on next. Now we have to select keyboard model from this list. I am okay with the default, so click on next. Partitions. See, this is the fresh installation, so I am going to select this erase disk and install. And if you want to encrypt system, you can encrypt by selecting this checkbox. Then you have to provide the passphrase. It is up to you. Then click on next. Now we have to create or set up user. Here I am giving user full name as R2 schools, and this is the username. This is the computer name or host name. Later also we can change it. Here we have to provide the host name. Now we have to provide the password for the above user. Then click on next. These are the settings that you have selected for this virtual machine. If you want to modify any one of these settings, then click on back. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. This is the confirmation. Again click on install. Installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Parrot 7.2 has been installed on your computer. You may now restart into your new system or continue using the security live environment. Okay, keep the checkbox and click on done. Now provide the password that you have set for this user. Notice here on the desktop before we are having install Parrot. Now that icon is gone. Now open terminal. Now verify the version more / etc os-release. We have installed 7.2. Now verify IP of this machine, ifconfig. This is the IP of the machine. Next step is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt controller update ampersand sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Put the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. It is going to upgrading 71 packages and installing 7 packages. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. Now go to this pen testing section. Here we have different sections. In each section we have subsections. Okay, you can go through each and you can practice. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Parrot Security OS 7.2 on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.